Our vacuum deep drawing process offers you a simple and cost-effective way to shape plastics for a batch production, thereby providing your product with an optimal functionality and a top surface quality. Through the deep draw method, with tool costs that are almost 90% below average, we can enable you to manufacture your product with decisive cost benefits compared with injection molding. Since KVH specializes in the negative method, we can form the finest contours such as design lines, indentations, logos, surface structures, ribbed patterns and lettering.